Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer a car title in South Carolina. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to Google and type in transfer a car title in South Carolina. From here, click onto titles-vehicle owners from scdmvonline.com. Now from here, scroll down and then it should say titling a vehicle. So you may hear a title transaction called a title transfer. So this transfer is processed the same day as any transfer of ownership. This can be either buying or selling. You will need all of the following to properly title a vehicle in South Carolina. So we need to complete the title application. So this is a SCDMV Form 400, and also completed the Statement of Vehicle Operations in South Carolina, SCDMV Form T I-006 if applicable, only if you do not have a SC driver's license or ID. And then the title signed over to you as the buyer. The price and the odometer reading at the time of sale must be included on the back of the title. If it is not there, you will need the bill of sale. Also a title fee, so we can have a look at what the fees are. So if we scroll down here, so these are all your driver related fees. You can pause this video and have a look at these. So you've got more here. Electric vehicles a little bit more expensive than others. And there might be an infrastructure maintenance fee payment if applicable, and also a signed bill of sale. Buyer's order is required for all title transactions, so showing the total sale price of the vehicle minus any trade-in value. The buyer's signature is required on the bill of sale. You can visit an SCDMV branch office with the above documents to title your vehicle. If you plan to drive your vehicle, you'll also need to register your vehicle at the same time.